Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do my Get Ready With Me using all the products in the Boxy Charm August box. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this Glow Recipe Retinol Eye Cream for my eye cream today. And I'm going to take just a little bit. I've got a little scoop that I like to use. I don't like to put my fingers in it. And that's all I'm going to take. Now, usually I don't like to use retinols during the day, but since I'm going out tonight, I'll be in a darker area. So let's put some of this on. I'm going to grab my mirror. Okay, I'm going to end up putting this into my stories and lead my post to stories. This feels really nice on, very delicate, not greasy, as you can see, but yeah, it feels really good on. So that's the start of that. So I'm going to move on to foundation, which is not in this month's box. So I'm actually going to try to use this Giorgio Armani Neo Nude. So I'll be right back. So I've prepped my skin. I've put foundation on. Actually, it's not really foundation. It's the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude True to Skin Natural Glow Foundation, but it's much more like a tinted moisturizer. And then for my under eyes, I've used the Fiera Luxury Concealer in Light. I love this stuff because it doesn't crease. And then thanks to Lori's Faves, I've got the Gerard Cosmetic Clean Canvas Eye Base. This stuff is phenomenal. So let's move on. Okay, we're going to start out with the Natasha Denona Cupid palette that came in this August box, and it is beautiful. Look at the tones on these. Really pretty cool toned, which I really like. And I'm going to start with this color Shell, and I'm going to use that as my crease color to start. I'm using a Wayne Goss number 18 brush. And so, yeah, so we're going out to dinner. My son is home from Tucson. My mom just turned 80, and my dad turned 86. Plus, he is standing up at a wedding this weekend, so which we're attending also. So it's nice to have him. I've had him home for just about a week now. He came home last Thursday, so it's been very, very nice to have him home. So as you see, I'm kind of dragging this up because I do have a hooded eye. So I want to like create a wing, and I don't want it going beyond my brow bone here. All right, so I'm going to go into the deeper shade. I'm going to switch out the brush, just clean it. And I'm going to go into a deeper shade to do the corner. And that is going to be the color Clove. I'm going to use that one right there, Clove. And I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm going to try to get it into the crease, my natural crease. So right there. Get it darkened up a little bit. Get a little bit more. I like Natasha Denona eyeshadows because they really don't, they're a bit powdery, but they never, there's not a lot of fallout. There's never really fallout. Now let me carry this down. There's that. Looks good, right? So let's go to the next one. All right. So, yeah, so going to this kid's wedding. I call them kids because I've known these kids since, this kid that's getting married, I've known him since kindergarten. So it's kind of wild to watch them get married. So right, I think that looks about right. I think I need to go a little darker here. Then I'll blend. All right, let's switch. I think what I'm going to do is use the color, I don't know what, Monroe, the brightest color right there, with my finger and put it in the center of the lid. And going to the corner. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, you guys. Very pretty. Very nice, Natasha. Oh, that's really pigmented. I love it. Okay. You guys see that? Now let's go ahead and use Shell again to just buff out the edges. And that should do it. That should do it. And now I'm going to do the under eye with, let's see, it's a good pencil. Let's do this with the Charlotte Tilbury eye smudger. And I'm going to take some of that crease color, just run it under the eyes and run it up. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, sorry, blocking you guys. All right. Right, there's that. I'll be right back with the rest of it. So I filled my brows with the Anastasia brow pen, just to fill in some of the front. I'm growing my lashes a little bit. Then I'm going to freeze them with the brow down from Queen that came in the box. So let me get these brows brushed up. Here's the little brush. And then brush these things up. There we go. Oh, very nice gel. Not sticky. And this brush is perfect. Yeah, look at that. Look at the difference. I'll make it a little bit more for the other side. I got a mirror on the side here, you guys. Okay. All right. And there you go. So, like this. Thank you, Queen. This is good. Now let me go into blush, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter and the lip liners. Be right back. So the blush I've used is the Tom Ford Eclat Nuit. It has 2 pans. I run the brush through both of them and then just swipe it on. So that's that. Now let me go into this Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. Let's look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that highlighter. Let's look at that highlighter. I'm going to take the same brush, run it across, and see what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. You guys see that? Very, very pretty. Let me go to the other side. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Yep, that's really nice. I'm going to do the top of my nose a little bit, and then I'm going to do around the lip. Let me go a little bit more here. Okay, there's that. So, beautiful highlighter. Now let's go into mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, for mascaras, I use a couple things. I interchange, but today I used the Christian Dior, the Maximizer in 3D. I have a sample of this, and I like it very much. And then I followed up the upper lashes with the Osmosis Colors Mascara Curling. I love the brush on this. I love these type of brushes. So that goes on really nicely. And then my bottom lashes, I've been using this forever. It's the MAC Extended Play Giga Lash. The reason I do this one with my bottom lashes is look at how small the brush is. So you can get right in there. So that's that. Now let's do lip liner. So let's get this lip liner out. There are two of them that came in from, these are from Basic Beauty. And there are two tones. One is a deeper brown, this one right here. And this one's more of a lighter brown, more natural. The nude one is latte and the other one is cocoa. So I think I'm going to use the nude one. So let's go in here. Okay. So there's the tip on it. So let's get this lip done. So let's see. All right, let me get that tip cleaned up. It looks like it shredded a little bit. All right. I feel a fuzzy. Okay. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? All right, let's see. Go across, do a little right here, right on the corners, right here. Okay. All right, let's find a lipstick that goes great with this. So which one do I want to use? Let me look. I think I'm going to use the Rose Ink in Demure to fill the lips as the lipstick. I have yet to use this bullet, so let's try it. It works. A little drier than I expected, but it works. So let's do a quick spritz of Slay All Day. And there you go. There's my makeup look. Thanks, BoxyCharm, and thank you to all the brands within it. Thanks.